guys, liveliest. I'm your host Yoon, so come along with me guys. Now I'm finding some street foods, but I don't see any street foods along this road, so let's go. There is Vietnamese shop and tea shop besides me, and over there I found grilled chicken, so let's try. The price of that steak is started from 100 just to 1,000 magic, so the price is really cheap and affordable. So as you see, my food is not ready yet. And now I would like to shout out Brian, who is the advanced member of our Easily Yangon membership channel. And thank you for supporting us to make better videos. I really appreciate for your help. Here. So now I will take this steak from here. So I wanna try my favorite one here. The chicken skin is really soft. As you see, the mutton is not soft, it's a little bit tough. I would more prefer softer taste. I think this ostrich will be perfect with the beer, but I can't see any along the street, so let's keep walking. Okay, I see fruit shop, and here is the big grocery stores. So behind me is moringa shop. This moringa shop is really popular. There are many gift basket shops around me. We use this kind of gift baskets to offer elders and relatives and neighborhoods. Over there is a juice shop. I'm really thirsty, so let's have a drink. So now I got my juice. So let's try the taste. Really refreshing taste, but too sweet for me. Yeah. So now I don't see any more street foods along the streets, and it's almost dark, and I would like to end this video from here, and I hope you guys will enjoy these videos, and if you like this video you will also like this one and this too. Bye bye, see you again next video guys.